Namaste, good evening to everyone. And now this is the second episode of Interview the Principal. Now here today we are having a next series of students. Here we are not, this is not one, this is actually we are having two students with us. It's a Shreya Ganpat Arjun along with her small brother. So let's begin with them and let's begin this session here. Please carry on.
Namaste. Good evening. Welcome to TIS Bulletin. Interview the principal. I, Shreya Ganpat Arjun, student of class 5, have got the golden opportunity today to present our principal sir to you all through my questions. Now, it's an honor, sir, to interact with you. Dear viewers, the person sitting with me is our lovely principal, Dr. Vijay Nagesh. He is so familiar to our city that he does not need any introduction. Let's interact. Sir, first question, when did you decide to come in this profession?
First of all, Namaste Shreya and very good evening. And answer to your question, I joined in this education profession in the year 1999. Shreya. So next question from you.
Sir, what is your name?
My name is Dr. V.J. Nagesh.
Sir, what is your hobby?
I love playing with small kids like you, Yash. I love very much playing any games or sports with small kids like you. Okay, Yash?
Yes.
So you will also love playing with me?
Playing and running.
Yes, very good, Yash. Yes, Shreya.
Sir, second question. Could you tell me about your struggle when you were student?
Shreya, there is no end to struggle. Struggle is a part and parcel of every person. So I also had good struggling moments, but I never considered those things as struggles. I used to enjoy those tough times, with a good aim and a vision. Next question, Shreya.
Great, sir. Third question. What are your hobbies?
Shreya, apart from studies, if you look into my hobbies, the list is endless. First of all, I love playing. I enjoy playing any outdoor game, be it the Desi traditional games or games like cricket, football and all. Second is I love watching movies. Third, I love good old songs. Okay. And fourth is I love going into long drives, enjoying good food outside, Shreya. Next question, Shreya.
Wow, sir. Fourth question is, how do you spend your time during school vacation?
Very good, Shreya. See, in my school days, I used to wait for the summer vacations, This will be the date. Yes, generally it was from 1st of April we had summer vacations. So I used to wait. Not only I, all my friends, we were very eager that, yes, the summer vacations are going to come. And in the summer vacations, in our days, we used to visit to our grandparents' house for about 15 days, 20 days. And the most of the time we used to spend playing the traditional Desi games. Even I don't know what are the names, what we call it in English. But you can understand the traditional Desi games. We used to play a lot with lots of joint family members there. And if you ask regarding with the respect to current sports, maybe you can say like football and hockey were the major games, outdoor games we used to play, apart from the typical Desi games, what the children used to play. I used to play all the Desi games. Okay, so this is how we used to spend vacations. right from the morning till evening, playing and having good food with our friends, relatives. Okay, and we had only one golden moments, especially in a street, you can say, among 5 to 8 houses there was only one TV, and on some special days we used to go and watch TV, and the whole vacations we used to enjoy with our friends and relatives. Enjoying with friends and relatives, that was the major time we used to spend in vacations. Next, Shreya.
Wow, sir. My last question is, I would like to take your opinion about our school, our students.
Very good question, Shreya. Our school is one of the beautiful schools located in a very beautiful town, Shivrinarayan, in the banks of the river, with a very good climate. So the school is very beautiful, and I openly say, proudly say, कि our students, those who have taken admission, are very beautiful, very good, very lovely, very obedient, and I really enjoying with my students interacting through face to face or through online modes. So even my students are very good, and I'm proud of my students, and especially I feel proud about you, Shreya, and you, Yash, that you have come and you have interacting with me. So I feel proud and honored that such students are there who have got good confidence, good courage to speak and talk with me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shreya. Thank you, Yash. You enjoyed, Yash, talking with me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So enjoy your day. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So good night to both of you.
Good night, sir. Have a nice day. Good night, sir. Have a nice day.
Good night, Yash.